Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you're quite well. Here is professional business card design. Total design is 120 plus and total file is 1000 plus, all design in 4 different color. These files for Photoshop and password in this app. Go to Google Play Store, buy now for lifetime, all password in this app. Okay, so open one file. Here is business card 1 2 with 4 different color: green, orange, red. Here is a red. Import your own photo here, or your poster or your design, and your detail, your like your name, location or contact number. Next, 39. Same thing is here. You can change anything, or you can apply red here. Okay, you can set QR code. Here is a blue design. Open this one. Here is a back QR code logo design. Okay, and background. Okay, now these are CMYK color, that's mean, and these are printable files. Green. Wow. Blue. Open back art. Okay, here blade, logo, website design, and here is a background. Here is a shape and background color. Okay, now red front. Wow, I think these are Muslim. This is a Muslim. Okay, here is business hook, your QR code and your location, your email address or website, your contact number, your designation, graphic designer, and your name. Change everything like this one. Okay, no, and here is a back. Apply a background photo. Subscribe me and download this app for password, all password in this app. I hope these are useful for you. Take care, love, his.